Do you wake up feeling like you never even slept? Is that constant heavy feeling in your limbs holding you back from the life you love? It is not just old age, and it is certainly not your fault. Tonight, we are resetting your internal battery using science-backed rituals that work in hours, not weeks. If you are over 60, your body has a hidden energy switch that has simply been turned off. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to flip it back on before your head hits the pillow tonight. To understand why you feel tired, we must look at your tiny cells. Every cell in your body has a small power plant called a mitochondria. These power plants take the food you eat and turn it into energy. As we cross the age of 60, these plants can become less efficient. The National Institute on Aging says simple gaps drain your battery every day. Think of your body like a smartphone that has too many apps running. One of the biggest energy thieves is a condition called silent dehydration. Many seniors do not feel thirsty, even when their bodies are craving water. When you are dehydrated, your blood becomes thicker and moves much slower. Your heart has to work much harder to pump this thick blood around. This extra effort leaves you feeling exhausted before the day even ends. Another major factor is the natural loss of muscle mass over time. Muscles are not just for strength. They are your body's energy storage tanks. When you lose muscle, you lose the ability to store fuel for your day. Low levels of magnesium are also a very common cause of constant fatigue. Magnesium acts like a spark plug for every single cell in your body. Without enough magnesium, your metabolism cannot create the fuel you need. Research from the Mayo Clinic shows that mineral gaps lead to physical weaknesses. Even the way you breathe can steal your precious energy throughout the day. Shallow breathing limits the oxygen that reaches your brain and your muscles. Without enough oxygen, your body stays in a stressful state of low power. Tonight, we are going to fix these leaks and recharge your internal system. By fixing these small issues, you can feel a massive difference by tomorrow. It is time to stop blaming age and start feeding your cellular batteries. You deserve to have the energy to enjoy every moment of your golden years. Now let us focus on the specific foods that act as natural medicine. Your evening meal is the most important foundation for tomorrow's energy levels. Start by adding a large portion of dark leafy greens to your dinner plate. Vegetables like spinach and kale are loaded with essential minerals and fiber. These greens provide the magnesium your cells need to produce lasting power. Consider adding a handful of pumpkin seeds or walnuts to your evening snack. These seeds contain healthy fats that support your brain and your heart health. Research suggests that healthy fats help stabilize your energy throughout the night. For a sweet treat, choose a cup of fresh blueberries or ripe strawberries. Berries are rich in antioxidants that fight the inflammation causing your fatigue. Avoid processed sugars tonight because they lead to a massive energy crash later. Instead, drink a tall glass of water with a fresh squeeze of lemon juice. This simple drink helps hydrate your blood and wakes up your digestive system. Now, let us move our bodies with a very gentle 2-minute exercise routine. Stand near a wall and perform 10 very slow and controlled wall push-ups. Next, try sitting and standing from a sturdy chair 5 times in a row. This strengthens your leg muscles, which are the biggest energy consumers in your body. Harvard Medical School notes that light movement actually reduces feelings of fatigue. Finishing with a slow walk around your home helps circulate fresh oxygen everywhere. Oxygen acts like fresh air for a fire, making your internal energy burn brighter. You are not just moving your limbs. You are signaling your body to stay strong. By combining these specific foods and movements, you are preparing for a reset. Your body is now shifting from a state of exhaustion to a state of recovery. Tomorrow morning, you will feel the physical benefits of these small evening choices. The final piece of the energy puzzle happens while you are fast asleep. Deep sleep is the only time your body can fully repair its damaged tissue. As we age, our sleep cycles often become shorter and much more fragmented. To fix this, you must prepare your brain for rest at least 1 hour before bed. The National Sleep Foundation warns that bright screens can ruin your sleep quality. The blue light from your phone tells your brain that it is still middle of the day. Switch off the television and pick up a physical book or listen to soft music. Instead of caffeine, try a warm cup of herbal tea like chamomile or ginger. These natural herbs calm your nervous system and reduce evening cortisol levels. Your body also needs a small amount of protein to rebuild your muscles overnight. A few spoonfuls of plain Greek yogurt or a small boiled egg can be very helpful. This prevents your blood sugar from dropping too low while you are dreaming. Before you lie down, perform a gentle stretch for your calves and your lower back. Stretching improves blood circulation and prevents those painful midnight leg cramps. Good blood flow ensures that nutrients reach your muscles even while you rest. Take 3 deep breaths through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. This simple breathing technique switches your body into a deep state of recovery. Consistency is the most powerful tool you have for regaining your youthful spark. If you follow these steps tonight, you are breaking the cycle of constant fatigue. Wellness is a journey that begins with the very small choices you make every evening. You have worked hard throughout your life, and you deserve to feel vibrant and strong. Thank you for spending your valuable time with the Wellness Path podcast today. If you found these tips helpful, please share this video with a friend who needs it. Take care of your health tonight so you can enjoy a beautiful and energetic tomorrow. Stay consistent, stay positive, and we will see you in the next health update.